Welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to teach you the power of posting every day. YouTube is a business, it's a job like your regular daily 8 to 5 or 9 to 5 job. You have to take this serious as you take your job serious. You have to do this every day as you go to work every day. This is a business. It's not just about coming to YouTube to watch video or to post video. The power of posting every day is what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So if you are a new channel, if you are an upcoming channel, you need to watch this video to the end. Thank you very much for your time as I dive into the main business of the day. Thank you. So in today's video I'm going to explain to you the power of posting every day. Let me share with you some of my experience as a YouTuber. When I started first, I used to post every day 2-3 videos per day, and in the next 3 months I have massive results, not only in subscriber but also in watch hour, because your goal on this platform is to have 1,000 subscribers first and 4,000 watch hour for you to be eligible for monetization. So how will you achieve this? How will you get your first 1,000 subscriber and your first 4,000 watch hour? This is just the beginning. So getting a 1,000 subscriber and a 4,000 watch hour is not that difficult if you are serious about what you are doing on YouTube. For instance, posting every day will boost and will help you achieve this in less than 3 months. For instance, if you are posting 3 videos per day as a brand new channel, let's say you post 3 videos in a day and you are having 100 views on each videos. 100 views on each video, and each of the viewers watch for at least 3 minutes per video. So you now calculate it, 3 minutes per watch times 100 views on that video times 3 of those videos, which means you are having 300 views in a day. This is just an instance. You are having 300 views in a day from your 3 videos times 100 people. That's 100 views. If you calculate this, you see that the numbers of views per day has increased, the watch hours has also increased, your subscribers have also increased. So if you do this continually, in the next 3 months you see that you will achieve first your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, which means in less than 6 months you will be eligible for monetization. How should you go about this? How will you go about this? I'm going to teach you. Posting every day is not difficult. It depends on your mindset. What are you to post? I know you'll be thinking about this. How to appear on camera is not difficult. What to post, how to plan your post, and what are your audience watching on YouTube. If you really want to make money from this platform, if you really want to be successful on YouTube, if you really want to have massive views on YouTube, this is what you need to do. Heaven help those who help themselves. So if you want to be successful here on YouTube, you need to do the following things, which is: 1, you need to post consistently, like posting every day, like you used to go to your daily 8 to 5 or 9 to 5 job. So you need to be serious about what you are doing. You need to post every day. You need to keep engaging your audience to come back. You need to put what you are doing into action by posting every day. So how should you put, like, what are the procedure of posting every day? Have an engaging content. Know what your audience need. And my second advice for you is this: as a new as a brand new channel, don't have a niche. There's nothing like niche. Don't have a niche. We will be telling you you should go into this particular niche, that this niche is paying very well. You should come to this niche, that this niche is paying very well. You should not do comedy, maybe you should not do entertainment content, because entertainment content, the CPM is very low. The CPC is very low, so you should not do entertainment content. My brother, it is a lie. It is advisable that as a brand new channel, post everything and make sure that those contents are your own original content, so that it will be possible for you to monetize it when the time comes for you to monetize. Don't specify, because as a brand new channel, you don't exactly know what your audience may need, so post randomly. So after posting this, maybe in the next 2 to 3 months, then check what your viewers are interested in. Then from there, concentrate on those points. Concentrate on those type of content that your viewers are interested on, what they view most. Check your analytics to see what they view most, and then concentrate on those content or those videos that they watch the most. But you need to keep your audience coming back by posting consistently. It really helps, not only in subscriber or in watch hour. It helps both in subscriber and both in watch hour, because what you are pursuing on YouTube first is a 1,000 subscriber and a 4,000 watch hour for you to be eligible for monetization. This is a lucrative business. I have to tell you the truth. It may pay you, it pays you more than your daily 8 to 5 job or 9 to 5 job. We should go to a firm and spend 8 hours of the month. They pay you a stipend which cannot take care of your bills for the month. So if you are a brand new channel coming up, I'm encouraging you to take YouTube very serious. If you are new on this channel, please, I would like you to like, share and subscribe to this video. Stay tuned to the next episode, as I will be giving you guides on how to be successful on YouTube. Thank you very much.